Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a simple and easy way to install Python on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So I understand it can be really annoying. What do you install? How do you install? To what file, etc. So it's very simple. But before we get into it, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. So first thing you want to do is head over to python.org, and once you're on python.org, on the top tab you're going to see downloads. You're just going to click on it. You don't have to click on anything here, just click on downloads, and once you're here you're going to pretty much see all the downloads here. Now what you're going to do is essentially go here, you're going to see looking for specific releases, and you're going to see the latest one on the top. You're going to click download. That's going to bring you to a second page here, and all you need to do is scroll down. You're going to find Windows Installer 64-bit. If you have a 32-bit system, go ahead and download the 32-bit file. So most of you should have a 62-bit system, so just go ahead and click. It's going to open up the file and you can download it. Alright, so once you've downloaded the file, what you're going to do is just right click it, and to avoid any issues you want to right click it and run it as administrator, and then go ahead and click yes. And pretty much what you want to do is not click customize. You want to make sure that you click install now. Now here's the thing, a lot of people run into user errors, etc. What you want to do is check both of these. Use admin privileges when installing, as well as adding Python exe to the path. So once you've done that, you can click install. It's going to take a second here. And that's it. So pretty much once it says setup was successful, you can do one other thing if you want to, which is to open up command prompt and type in Python space -- version. So we're gonna do that, and all you need to do is type in Python -- version. Once you see that it says Python 3.13 or whichever version you have latest, you know that it is successfully installed. If this tutorial helped you out, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment below. I'll try my best to get back to you.